Modern front garden landscaping ideas. 60 outdoor design ideas. Modern front garden landscaping is an important aspect of creating a beautiful and inviting outdoor space. It can be a challenge to find the right balance between aesthetics and practicality, but with careful planning and thoughtful design, it is possible to create a stunning front garden that is both attractive and functional. This article will explore some of the modern front garden landscaping ideas that can help to create an inviting outdoor space. What are some modern front garden landscaping ideas? Create a low-maintenance garden with native plants. Incorporate a water feature such as a pond or fountain. Install a vertical garden or living wall. Add a pergola or arbor for shade and privacy. Install a modern fire pit or outdoor fireplace. Incorporate modern outdoor furniture. Use modern lighting to highlight features. Add a modern outdoor kitchen or bar. Incorporate modern art or sculptures. Create a modern seating area with a fire pit. What materials should I use for my front garden landscaping project? The materials you use for your front garden landscaping project will depend on the look and feel you are trying to achieve. Some popular materials for landscaping projects include stone, brick, gravel, wood, and plants. You may also want to consider adding decorative features such as water features, lighting, and furniture. Consider the overall design of your garden and choose materials that will complement it. What are some tips for maintaining a well-landscaped front garden? Choose low-maintenance plants. Select plants that are native to your area and require minimal care. Water regularly. Make sure to water your plants regularly to keep them healthy and looking their best. Prune and trim. Regularly prune and trim your plants to keep them looking neat and tidy. Mulch. Mulch helps to retain moisture and keep weeds at bay. Fertilize. Fertilize your plants regularly to keep them healthy and vibrant. Control pests. Monitor your plants for pests and take appropriate action to control them. Add features. Consider adding features such as a pond, fountain, or bird bath to add interest to your garden. Keep it clean. Make sure to keep your garden free of debris and weeds. In conclusion, modern front garden landscaping ideas are a great way to add value to your home and create a beautiful outdoor space. With the right design, materials, and plants, you can create a stunning and inviting front garden that will be the envy of your neighbors. With a little bit of creativity and planning, you can create a modern front garden that will be the perfect addition to your home.